In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps and Services. Then tap on App Twin and click on gray switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on the no blue switcher. Then select Close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!